Hi everyone, this is your Learn with Fun teacher. Welcome to the arena of Learn with Fun. Today's lesson is present continuous tense, which is super easy to learn. But before we learn anything, we should learn to love our home, our family, beyond which the rest are just phantasmagoria of disbelief. That is a combination of reality and illusion. So we should learn to distinguish between reality and illusion. So let's learn to love our home, family, and first of all ourselves. We already know, okay, as I said, today's lesson is present continuous tense, which is super easy to learn. We already know that tense is time of action. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to do that. So let's start. The word continuous comes from continue, means goes on and on. Therefore, past continuous tense means the time of action goes on at the time of speaking, such as she is teaching, which means the action of teaching is on process, that is continuous, or the boys are playing. One more vital question as usual is how to form a present continuous sentence. Will be explained before we wind up our today's lesson or on time. Number 2, for an action that already has been taken place earlier also falls under the category of present continuous tense. I repeat, present continuous tense forms an action that has already been planned to take place in the near future, such as my brother is coming next month, or I'm leaving the country next year for higher education. Remember, the plan of action has already been arranged earlier. Now, time is up to know how to form a present continuous tense, such as the baby is sleeping. Notice how the sentence is formed. The sentence is formed such a way is number 1, subject. We already know what subject is. Subject is the doer in a sentence, means who does something. Here the doer is the baby, which takes number 1 place. Now comes number 2, that is. Is be verb. Am, is, are, these three are called be verbs. Like have, has is called have verb. So number 2 is be verb. Number 3 is verb with ing. Here verb is sleep, which takes ing with it to show continuity. That's all. Isn't it super easy to learn, as I mentioned at the outset? Of course, there are some verbs on account of their meaning are not normally used in the present continuous tense. Exceptions are always there as usual. For example, see, hear, sim, want, love, agree, and a few more, which we'll learn gradually.